Hi, this is Amelia from Coveya and I'll be talking about the Invader 45 today. The Invader 45 is 50% more powerful than others in its class. It's a portable plug-and-play conveyor that can move up to 50 tonnes per hour at 1.5 kilowatts with a 110 volt motor. It comes in 4 and 6 metre lengths depending on your requirements and is available for purchase and hire. It is designed to eliminate downtime on constrained sites and is used to transport materials such as aggregates, small rubble and soil, and is done so by hand, a small excavator or a wheelbarrow. The simple start and stop control panel is easily accessible and is fitted with an emergency stop button. There are 4 handles located at each edge of the conveyor that are used for easy lifting, as well as a hole in the conveyor used for extra support. There are also forklift slots for easy lifting. Please feel free to contact us for more information or to discuss your requirements with one of our specialists. We look forward to hearing from you soon.